Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use your snow broom or your extendable snow brush with a wash mitt on how to clear snow off of your truck without getting any scratches in it. First step is to get rid of your cheap CVS brand or Walmart brand snow brush and actually get an extendable snow brush like you see here. You're going to want to put your wash mitt on one end. I typically use the foam side, and then I use that end to clear the snow off of the truck. Now, when you're talking about your bed covers and things like that, it really doesn't matter if you use the brush side or the wash mitt side. But when you actually get to the paint and you're clearing snow off of that, it's important to use the wash mitt side because there can be dirt, grime, road debris, etc. between the snow and your paint, and you want to use a soft surface in order to avoid any scratches. So that's what you see me doing here. This has worked really well for me over the past 4 years or so. I've been doing something like this, and I highly recommend it. If you thought this video was helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, give me a subscribe.